What's up everyone and welcome to the club. If you've always wanted to become a better artist but never knew where to start, you're in the right place. I'm Marty, I'm the creator of the Cartoon Club here on YouTube, and I've helped millions of people over the last 12 years improve the way they draw using my step-by-step drawing lessons. And along the way, we built a community of over 5 million subscribers with over 1.5 billion views. Outside of YouTube, I spent over 25 years as a professional art director working for companies like Microsoft Games and Activision Blizzard. I've also illustrated children's books for NASA twice, and the first one was live streamed from the International Space Station. I recently started a new community called the Sketch Club on Skool, and this is the perfect place for me to teach you how to become a better artist. And inside you'll receive my simple method where you learn, share, and get feedback directly from me. And this is the cycle that helps you improve much faster. You'll work through beginner-friendly courses, weekly workshops, and new lessons added every week. Then you'll share your artwork with the community, receive feedback from both me and our members, and keep improving with every drawing. Whether you're picking up a pencil for the very first time or getting back into art after many years, you'll have a clear path to becoming a better artist. You'll also be part of a supportive community where you can share your artwork, take part in our creative challenges, get featured in our weekly artist spotlight, and celebrate your progress with artists from around the world. So if that sounds like the kind of place you've been looking for, I invite you to join the Sketch Club. And right now you can access everything for free for 7 days with no commitment, and you can cancel at any time. And if you're still not convinced, ask my friend Snoop Dogg. Yep, I create content for him too. Thanks for stopping by. I can't wait to see what you create, and I'll see you on the inside.